This is how a washing machine knows when to stop. Inside the machine, sensors constantly monitor the water level, the weight of the laundry, and how fast the drum is spinning. As clothes get cleaner, the water becomes less dirty, and the drum starts moving more smoothly. The machine uses this information to adjust the wash cycle in real time. Once everything reaches the right balance, the washing machine knows the job is done and stops. Smart sensors. Simple logic. Perfectly clean clothes.